Hello all, I'm Prashanti. I am located in Cologne in Germany and I am very happy to be a part of the Samarpanam series organized by Bhogya. I'm here to perform Carnatic music, which is the art form that I have been pursuing since my childhood. Um, I have been learning under Srimati K.N. Sushila. She is a student of D.K. Pattamal and she has been a teacher in the Madura Arts College in Madurai, and later she settled in Bangalore, which is where I come from, and most of my music schooling has been with K.N. Sushila ma'am. Um, After that, I have also pursued Hindustani music and also learned Carnatic music here in Germany for a while. Um, as a part of this series, I was asked to dedicate something to my grandparents. So when I called my grandmother in Bangalore, I asked her which ragam would she prefer if I perform for this series. And I was also not aware what her favorite ragams are. So she told me that she would prefer anything, either Bhairavi or Todi. Um, and this time I've chosen one kriti in Ragam Bhairavi for my party, Saroja Subramaniam. She is my maternal grandmother. She has been a big connoisseur of Carnatic music. You can always find her tuned into the Margari Utsavam, or even during Navaratri, she wants all her granddaughters to perform. She has always asked us to perform one song or the other, and even if one Navratri we repeat the song from the previous Navratri, she would immediately catch it. So she had a very good ear for music. Um, and I have very fond memories also during my childhood. Yeah, watching some concerts with her, and this is one song I would like to dedicate to Party. It's called Koluva Yurnade. It's set to the Ragam Bhairavi. It's a Tyagaraja Kriti and in Aditalam. മനസു രഞ്ജില്ല സൂരസ തൂളു മനസു ഗരി സരി ഗമ ഗരി സമനസു സരി ഗമ ഗരി സരി ഗമ മനസു രഞ്ജില്ല സൂരസ തൂവാണി മാധു അണിമാതു ലൂകൊലുവവേ രനെ കനകചലഗനു കേരുമോമുദിത കാന്ത തോനു ത്യാഗ രാജവിനു തോಡು പോಲು വൈ
தேங்க்யூ சுத்தி ரொம்ப நல்லா பாடுறடி எங்கள் அம்மா பாட்டிலாம் இப்படி தான் பாடுப்பா நினச்சதுக்கு அழுகையாவது தான்
The next kriti is a favorite of my paternal grandmother, Bhagavati Sundaram. She was mostly located in Thoothukudi or Madurai, and she spent some days with me in Bangalore. Once when I was practicing music when I was a child in my room, Party entered my room and said, this Riti Gaudai song she has learned from her own music teacher. This is also Shama Shastri Kriti. It's a very, very old Kriti, and it was not, I was even told by my teacher that it's not a very popular Kriti, and it was somehow a little magical to see that my own grandmother has learnt this Kriti from her own teacher, and she sat with me and listened through my practice sessions. So this is a dedication to my Party Bhagavati. She's no more, but I would like to dedicate in fond memory of this conversation I've had with her. ನಿನ್ನು ವಿನಾ ಮರಿಗಳದ ಗತಿ ಲೋಕಮುಲು ನಿನ್ನು ವಿನಾ ಮರಿಗಳದ ಗತಿ ಲೋಕಮುಲು ನಿನ್ನು ವಿನಾ ಮರಿಗಳದ ಗತಿ ಲೋಕಮುಲು ನಿರಂಜನಿ पन्नगभूषणुनि राणि पार्वती श्रीललिते पन्नगभूषणुनि राणि पार्वती श्रीललिते पन्नगभूषणुनि राणि पार्वती निरञ्जनी निखिल जननी मृडाली भवानी नन्नु विना मरिगळದ नामदिलो नीवे गतियनि नम्मितियनि मदिलो नीवे गतियनि नम्मितियनि मदिलो नीवे गतियनि नम्मितियनि मदिलो नीवे गतियनि नम्मितियनि श्यामकृष्णनु ते भक्त परिपालनमु सेयुडकुनु श्यामकृष्णनु ते भक्त परिपालनमु सेयुडकुनु निन्नु विना मरिगळದ गतिलोकमुलो निरञ्जनी निखिल जननी मृडाली भवानी ननु निन्नु विना मरिगळದ The last one is dedicated to my grandfather, Sundaram Iyer. He is also no more, unfortunately, but he was definitely a huge ardent follower of Sai bhajans. And Tata used to always keep humming some bhajan or some song or the other. So this one bhajan I would like to dedicate to my grandfather, and it is a dedication to the Guru. अरुणा रमणा श्री गुरुदेवा अरुणा रमणा श्री गुरु Sesharamana Sadgurudeva Sesharamana Sadgurudeva Arunaramana Shri Gurudeva Sesharamana Sadgurudeva Arunaramana Shri Gurudeva Mangala Charana Shri Sai Deva Mangala Charana Shri Sai Deva Mangala Charana Shri Sai Deva Guruve Satyajit Anand Deva Guruve Satyajit Anand Deva Anand Deva Shri Sai Deva Anand Deva Shri Sai Deva Arunaramana Shri Gurudeva Sesharamana Sadgurudeva Arunaramana Shri Gurudeva. With this, I would like to conclude the three pieces that I have performed. In a nutshell, I try to take you through what I have learned through my childhood in the presence of my grandparents and my parents' support. Yes, for sure, arts and classical music is a big part of our culture, and this is something I think our grandparents try to instill in us. Very thankful for their encouragement and support, and thank you, Bhogya, for giving us this platform to show what we have learned through our grandparents.